Some public transport owners are this evening blasting lawmakers over changes to the new Road Traffic Act made in Parliament on Tuesday. The transport owners say the lawmakers are taking a knife to the heart of the business community. TVJ's Herman Green has that story.
There have been rumblings from owners of public transportation vehicles since Parliament passed additional amendments to the new Road Traffic Act on Tuesday. However, now in no uncertain terms, objection.
Our executive met and we are totally opposed to what they propose.
For President of the Jamaica Association of Transport Owners and Operators, JATOO, Louis Barton, the new amendments, which make vehicle owners liable for outstanding traffic offences by the drivers of their vehicles, are nonsensical.
I don't understand the rationality behind it. Well, I hate to say it doesn't make sense, but the parliamentarians probably propose things that have some sense to it. We are asking them to explain it to us because we are totally opposed to it and we will be taking action against it.
He says no decision has been made on what that action may be. The association will be having a meeting on Sunday where Mr. Barton says he will be suggesting protest action like withdrawing service for an hour,
or standing in front of the Prime Minister's office to say this is really bad on us. It's devastating. You are digging into our pockets again, in addition to the other things that you have been doing. I don't know what will come out of the meeting, but that is what I would be recommending. I would be recommending some kind of action. We cannot sit back and take it like this.
He also had his own suggestion, rubbishing Attorney General Marlene Malahoo Fort's argument on Tuesday that it's a modern way to keep road users in line.
This is the modern era of electronic surveillance, and persons have to understand that greater care is required.
If they put a system in where we can be told or can be notified that this particular driver did something, committed some breach, then we can try to curb that. But if we don't have anything like that, if there's no system in place, then we can't be held responsible.
But even such a system, he says, would create an additional expense for vehicle owners. And with his association unsuccessfully requesting a fare increase for the past year, he says, as business operators, transport operators deserve better. Herman Green, TVJ News.